Hello. No, I will tell you and teach you our button on the card. You can look for this. Is the test button. For this P11 is for remote control. You can look. It's connect IR sensor. For this is for the next program. For this is for before previous program, and this is the reset button. Okay, now I will introduce you about our software. Open the software for setting, hardware settings, additional for button settings. For button 2 is switch to next program. For button 3 is switch to previous program. For button 4 is for program control. Now you need change the play mode to button to switch. Okay. For this, if you want to remember this time you play program, you can click. If click the last time, if the next time you want to play a game, you can remember. Okay. Click OK. After finishing this setting, you can export your disk. No detect device. Export file. Yes. Okay. As you look, I will insert this disk to this card. No. Okay, we have export for program, import. Now you can look for this button. I press it for next program. For this is for the previous program. And for this button, I press it for program 1. I just release it for the previous program. Okay. And there I have told you it's for testing button. I just press it will type your test if your module is okay. It's the testing button. Okay. Okay. Now I will introduce you about our remote control function. As you look, we have connect a IR sensor with this remote control. It's close or open this screen. For this is for the previous program. And for this is for next. And for here, for brightness. You can look, the brightness is dark. For this is up, so the brightness is more light. For this, it is for the circle or no circle. For this is circle. You can place this program one by one. Before I have created 4 programs, so it will play one by one. And for this, it's not for circle. Just stop. It will stop for one by one. And this is stop. Stop or just for permanent stop. If you want to stop the program, you can press here. For these numbers 1, 2, 3 to 9 and 0, it's for program because I have created 4. So if I just press 2, it will be the second program I have created. And for this 2 under the remote control for this is for next. For this is for previous. That's all. Okay. Okay, everyone. Now I will tell you our digit for settings. Digit first we need setting, hardware setting, additional, we need photo button setting, count plus, button 2, button 3 count down, button 4 counter research. Okay. Look camera. For this digit, it's a digit plus. For this is digit down. And for this third, it's research. Okay, it's the same with remote control. For this, it's digital plus. For this plus. For this is research, or it's count digit down. And this is for research to 0. Okay. Now I will teach you how to count function. First, settings, screen parameter settings, hardware settings, additional, button settings. Button 2 is for timing start or pause. 3 is for timing research. 4 is for timing control. Okay. Remember program. For this, they have a we just bottom countdown and set 12 seconds. For this cycle timing, if you want to restart, example, if this countdown to 0 and you want again for 12 to 0, you can click here. Now we export file. As you look, we have exported this file to this screen by Udesk. If I press here, it will start or count down. For this button is waterfall. Pause. Okay. For the second S3, for this button is for research. So we'll research to 12 seconds. And for this, for S4, if I just keep pressing, it will count down. If I just release it, it will stop. Okay, it's the same with the remote control. For this, it's for start, or I press again, it's for stop. You stop countdown. For this, it's the same with S3. It's research count. It become 12 again.